Welcome to Review Lab. The best clay sculpting kit is probably one of the most versatile and engaging art supplies available today, offering a tactile and creative outlet for artists of all ages and skill levels, allowing for the creation of intricate sculptures, functional pottery, and imaginative figures, making it an ideal choice for both beginners exploring their artistic potential and experienced sculptors looking for a reliable and high-quality medium to bring their visions to life with satisfying texture and form. Number 5. Polymer Clay 50 Colors Modeling Clay Starter Kit. Discover a world of color and imagination with our 50-color polymer clay set. It's perfect for unleashing your inner artist, whether you're a child or an adult. These clays are designed for effortless shaping and modeling, offering rich, vibrant colors that won't fade. They are non-sticky, making your creative process smooth and enjoyable. This comprehensive kit comes in a convenient storage box, including 50 individual clay packs, sculpting tools, and a user manual. It's everything you need to get started on your next masterpiece. Crafted from soft, non-toxic polymer clay, it's free from common allergens like wheat and nuts. It meets strict safety standards, ensuring a safe and confident crafting experience for everyone. Easily set your creations with oven baking, or use a hairdryer for smaller pieces. Please refer to the included instructions for the best results with each method. Our dedicated customer service team is here to help with any questions you may have. Enjoy peace of mind knowing that support is just a message away. What we like. This kit offers an incredible 50 colors, perfect for detailed artistic creations. Its non-sticky nature makes it a joy to work with, and the oven bake option ensures your creations are durable. If you're looking for a vast color palette and a professional finish, this is the one for you. What people say. The clay is soft and easy to mold, perfect for beginners. Comes with a variety of tools that are surprisingly durable and useful for detailed work. The kit includes enough clay for several small projects, which is great value. Number 4. National Geographic Kids Pottery Wheel. Discover the joy of creating your own pottery with this all-in-one kit. It includes everything you need to get started, right out of the box. Designed for beginners, this wheel features integrated arm tools that make centering, opening, and shaping clay simple and intuitive. It's perfect for both right and left-handed users. The electric motor provides consistent rotation and power, even with downward pressure. Choose between 2 speeds to match different stages of your pottery creation. Get started easily with kid-friendly instructions, including video lessons and helpful tips. You'll also learn about the fascinating history and science behind pottery. From an award-winning toy developer, this kit is designed to spark education, imagination, and creativity. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with dedicated US support. This complete kit comes with 2 pounds of air-dry clay, sculpting tools, paint colors, an apron, and much more. Your pottery adventure awaits. What we like. This set comes with a patented design featuring integrated arm tools and a 2-speed motor, making pottery accessible even for absolute beginners. It also includes educational materials to learn about pottery. If you're a beginner, especially a child, looking for a guided and educational pottery experience, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The sculpting tools are well made and durable, perfect for detailed work. The clay is soft and easy to mold, making it great for beginners. Comes with a variety of tools for different sculpting techniques. Number 3. Aestd-ST Air Dry Clay 66 Colors. Discover a world of color with our Air Dry Clay set, featuring 66 brilliant shades. It's perfect for mixing custom hues and developing essential fine motor skills, offering endless fun for your little ones. This soft, non-sticky modeling clay is a joy to shape and comes in bright colors that spark imagination. It's designed to captivate children's interest and immerse them in the delightful world of art. With 66 vibrant colors, our air-dried modeling clay helps enhance color recognition and encourages boundless creativity. It's a fantastic way to improve hand-eye coordination and step away from screens. Crafted from safe, eco-friendly materials, our modeling clay is free from gluten and allergens. It meets strict safety standards, making it a worry-free choice for children aged 3 and up. This comprehensive kit includes 66 colors of air-dry clay, instruction booklet, and sculpting tools. It provides everything needed for hours of artistic exploration and creation. Looking for a unique gift? This modeling clay kit is ideal for Christmas, birthdays, or any occasion, offering a fun and educational experience for boys and girls. What we like. With a massive 66 colors, this air-dry clay set provides endless possibilities for vibrant creations. It's super light and easy to handle, making it ideal for younger children. If you prioritize a wide color selection and a safe, easy-to-use material for kids' crafts, this set is a fantastic option. What people say. The clay is soft and easy to mold, perfect for beginners. Comes with a good variety of tools for different sculpting techniques. The finished pieces are durable and hold their shape well after drying. Number 2. Aestd-ST Air Dry Clay 42 Colors. Discover a world of vibrant colors and endless fun with our air dry clay set. It includes everything your child needs to get started on their artistic journey. With 42 brilliant colors, sculpting tools, molds, and accessories, this kit offers hours of engaging and creative play. It's designed for maximum enjoyment and artistic exploration. Looking for a special gift? This modeling clay is soft, non-sticky, and easy to shape, making it ideal for sparking creativity. It's a wonderful present for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. Encourage your child's imagination and enhance their hand-eye coordination with our modeling clay. It's a fantastic way to reduce screen time and immerse them in the joy of art. Crafted from safe, gluten-free, and allergen-free materials, our clay meets strict safety standards. You can trust it for your child's creative adventures, recommended for ages 3 and up. We are here to help. Our customer service team is ready to assist with any questions you might have during your purchase or while using our product. What we like. This kit stands out with 42 colors and a generous array of accessories, including molds and tutorial cards. It's designed to keep kids engaged with various crafting elements. If you want a comprehensive kit that offers variety and encourages imaginative play with fun shapes, this is a great pick. What people say. The vibrancy of the colors is amazing. It dries quickly and doesn't leave a mess like normal Play-Doh does. It allows for easy cleanup. The clay is silky smooth and easy to work with and mold. Models stay together well. The kit comes with all the necessary tools and an inspiration book to help get them started. They have great colors and do not stain. Number 1. Artpar 90 Colors Air Dry Clay Kit. Discover a world of color with this amazing air dry clay kit. It includes 90 vibrant shades, perfect for bringing any idea to life. You can even mix them to create your own unique colors. This clay is wonderfully soft and easy to mold, with a non-sticky texture that makes crafting a breeze. It won't fade or crack, ensuring your creations last. Plus, it comes with tools and instructions to get you started right away. Watch their imagination soar as they play with these bright, vivid colors. This activity not only boosts creativity but also helps develop hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. Craft with confidence knowing this clay is made from safe, eco-friendly materials. It's non-sticky, allergen-free, and meets strict safety standards for your child's peace of mind. Looking for a fun and engaging gift? This kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. It's a fantastic way for kids and teens to explore the art of clay modeling. From simple crafts to elaborate sculptures, the possibilities are endless. This kit provides everything needed for hours of creative fun, whether for solo play or group activities. What we like. Boasting an impressive 90 colors, this air dry clay kit is perfect for anyone wanting to explore a full spectrum of hues. It's non-sticky and designed for ease of use, making it ideal for beginners and children. If your priority is the widest possible color range and a simple, enjoyable crafting experience, this set is unbeatable. What people say. The clay is easy to mold and holds its shape well. The tools included are sturdy and perfect for detailed work. Great variety of colors, allowing for creative mixing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you.